Hi everyone. Well, all of a sudden I have splitting nails. And if you've got the same problem or if you know of someone, this video is for you. I found a product that I think will help you because it certainly has helped me. Let's roll. Well, as you can see, if you've watched any of my other videos, I like to wear my nails short. I'm not a fussy person, so I just like them very, very short. But regardless, all of a sudden my nails are splitting. I swim a lot in chlorine water, so that might be the reason. I will not go down the road of that being an age thing because you know I don't believe in that. I've done a video about that. But I've got this product that I found that I think will help you. So several months ago, when I noticed this was happening to my nails, I decided I would try and find a product that would sort this problem out. And I looked at all different price points and I read many, many reviews to find the product that I thought would help me, something that was tried and tested, because that's what reviews are for. So I found this product which was made in 1963. And it is produced or manufactured by Christian Dior, and it's their creme apricot. And here's a picture of the product. This is like a plastic container. It's not cheap. It's $28. But I bought this, maybe 3 or 4 months ago. I've been using it ever since, and it really, really does work. And here's what it looks like inside. You can see I've just hit the I think they call it the bottom of the pan, but there's a lot more use in that product. It's not sticky, and it works, and it goes on really, really well, and it's easily absorbed. It doesn't really have a smell, or it's not an overwhelming smell, and how I use it is I just rub it into my nails at night. And Jeepers Creepers, I do not have any more splitting nails. It's like a miracle cream. It really, really does work. And so this really falls into line with my philosophy is buying good and get it done rather than trying a host of other things, because then you ultimately spend more money than you would. So I highly recommend this product. It also does not stain any of my bed linens, so because as I said, it goes in really, really quickly. Now, when I tried to order it originally, there was a back order. I think I tried during COVID, March or April, but eventually I got the item and I did go through, I think, Nordstrom's website, and they sent it to me. So at the end of the day, I really, really recommend this product to you. Let me know if you use it and your results. I will ask a question or a favor of you. If anyone knows of a polish that will stay on the nails while in water for any period of time, I would really like to know if you could put that in the comment box below. If this video was of use, please give it the thumbs up. You might have a friend who could use this information, so please share it. That is it for today. I wish everyone a good day. Toodles. Most importantly, stay safe. Bye.